show. Velvet dreams and sequins bright make the